What's up everybody? Welcome back to Whatcha Cookin Glenda. It's your girl Glenda and we have a new video for you guys. But before we get to that, I want to welcome all of my new subscribers to the G Squad. Welcome. And if you would like to be part of the G Squad, all you have to do is click that subscribe button. Make sure that you click the notification bell so that you can be updated every time we upload a video. Now to this recipe. We are going to do air fried chicken tenders. And we're going to use our new InstaPot Duo. That's what it is. It's an InstaPot Duo. So it has the InstaPot and it also has the air fryer attachment lid that goes to it. Got that for Christmas from my sis. So we're gonna put it to a test and see what it's about. It's our first time doing it. In this bowl, I have some washed and rinsed chicken tenders that we're gonna season up with the quad. And then I also have some little stations here that we have some flour. And to this flour I've added just a little bit, like a half a teaspoon of seasonal and some garlic powder. And in this one we have some eggs. I did 2 eggs and some milk in here for the wet batter. And then over here is just some Italian breadcrumbs. Alright, so I'm gonna get to seasoning and we'll be right back when we start on our stations. Back at the InstaPot Duo Crisp Plus Air Fryer. This is the inner pot portion, and here's the fryer portion. I've sprayed it with a little bit of Pam at the bottom, and I'm going to just put a layer of the chicken. I'll put a layer of the chicken in the bottom of this pan. Bottom of the air fryer. Let's see what we got here. These are some big tenders, so I'm gonna try to just do 4 at a time and see. We got a lot of room, a lot of time. So let's put this back in here. And then we have our InstaPot air fryer top here. Here's your protective, it's a protection pad. So put our air fryer lid on. The temperature is at 400 degrees, so I think we're gonna leave it there. And the time, let's put the time on 15 minutes. 15 minutes. To start. Let's see. Let's see what happens. So this says turn food. So that was like, we got about 7 minutes left. So I'm gonna twist this. I think, no, I'm just gonna lift it. So lift. And put it on the protective deal. Oh my gosh. Can you see in here? You're gonna have to come see inside. Okay. I turn it over. I can't even turn the things over. I am gonna spray the top of this though with a little bit of Pam. I'll put it on, right? And it'll start back up with the remaining time frame. So it's gonna be 6 more minutes and it's gonna be done. I didn't even flip all of them, so I flipped like 1 or 2 because it didn't really even need to be flipped, to be honest. So let's see what happens after this 6 minutes, or maybe even half that time, because they do look done already. And we'll be back on camera for a taste test. So I cut this one open. It's still, there's a crunch. Look, it's still nice and juicy. Crunch. It's done. And I already took some off of this one. Oh my god, they are so good. So Curtis is gonna give it a try. Touch the steam. Now it's burn my fingers. Yeah, because it's hot. It's amazing how this works. And it tastes good. It still kept its flavor. I will say that I could have backed off of the breadcrumbs just a little bit, just because it's kind of a little, you know, bready, but adding the Pam spray over the top to make it more fried looking, I guess. It's good, huh?
If you never told anybody you had an InstaPot, then they would think that this was fried oil.
You think so? I gotta have this one. Look, it's done. It's a little kick. It's done. Oh my god.
Everything.
When I cut that one, look. Let me show y'all the juices. Look at that. So I'm gonna show y'all the InstaPot Duo. There you go. And if you want to see more air fryer videos or InstaPot videos, you should click that subscribe button. And I'm smacking. And you should hit that notification bell so that you're notified every time we upload a new video. You should make it a point. You should make it a point to do that, because this right here, the bomb. See y'all in the next video. Peace out. Some kind of way. Blooper. Woo. First time for everything. Yes, because I can't even get it on here now.
I thought you already had it on when it went over to me.
It wasn't all the way. Hold on.